Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kasa Smart app for TP-Link smart devices step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the Kasa Smart app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Kasa Smart app icon to launch it. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. If you already have an account, proceed to enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, tap on the password field. Enter your password associated with your Kasa account. Ensure that there are no typos in your email or password for a successful login. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password via your email. If you do not have an account, tap on the Sign Up option to create a new account. Complete the required fields, such as your email address and a secure password. After filling out the sign-up form, tap on the Sign Up button to create your account. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on the Login button. Wait a moment for the app to authenticate your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the Kasa Smart app. From here, you can manage all your TP-Link smart devices effortlessly. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your internet connection. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Kasa Smart app by checking for updates in your app store. Now you are ready to start using your TP-Link smart devices with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.